Hey guys, and welcome back. So yesterday we had a little bit of a spontaneous day. I got up early and I put a post on the Facebook S2000 owner page, and I was looking for a rocker cover for the S2000. You guys will have seen my rocker cover in the S2000 already. I'll show you just again anyway. I told you guys that I hated it, so I forgot that Michael at Type 2 had rocker covers and he refurbed rocker covers. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a little while, you will have seen we were at Type 2 before when we had a problem with the EP3. We took Ryan's DC5 up as well. I'll put the link up above here somewhere, and if you want to check that out, you can. So I just took a little bit of footage of his unit and his garage. So cool, so many cool cars there. I'll just add it in the video somewhere around here. So my rocker cover in the S2000 is like, not leopard print, but like tiger stripes almost, and it's like a pinky red colour and black, and I didn't like it, so I was looking for a new one. So we drove up to Dundonald, which is Belfast direction. It took us about an hour and he had one there. So I have sold my one off the S2000, I haven't took it off yet, and then went and got this one from him. So I just got a red wrinkled one, and it looks really smart. It's a lot nicer than the one I've got. The only thing was, when I was there, he had a cool little merch shop as well, and he had some steering wheels on the wall. So I came home, he talked me into it, Ryan talked me into it, and I've came home with a steering wheel for the S2000, which I didn't really need to buy yesterday. I came home with it anyway. Then last night there was a little bit of change in events. Ryan was on Facebook Marketplace and he came across another steering wheel. I was at work and he went and bought it. It was so dirt cheap. The guy wanted money to go out last night, so Ryan went and bought it. I don't know if I'm going to use it, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll show you guys it now in a minute. So I'm just going to show you guys my rocker cover in the S2000 at the minute, so you can just see why I wanted to change it. So this is just the rocker cover which I have in the S2000 at the minute. I really don't like it. It's nice, it's really well painted, but yeah, it's not me. It's not my cup of tea at all. So yeah, I'm going to change that today, and I'll show you guys the one that I bought. So this is just my rocker cover which I've bought for the S2000. Like I said, Michael at Type 2 gets them refurbed. You really are supposed to give him yours, and then he will give you a nice painted one. If any of you guys watched the challenge that me and Ryan did, where we were seeing who could do the best wrinkled rocker cover, I'll put it up above, and it was awful. So yeah, this is a whole lot better. It's just nice, it's not too over the top, there's not too much wrinkle in it, but it's really well painted, and I think it's going to look a whole lot better in the S2000. Okay, so just moving on to the steering wheel that I bought. So I just got a personal steering wheel. They are a nice clean steering wheel. It won't be too much in the S2000. This is a brand new steering wheel which he had ordered for someone else, I believe. So they're all brand new, all genuine. I think you'll be really careful when it comes to steering wheels and putting them on your car. So let's just see. So yeah, it's so nice. It's just really simple. Still got the tags on it, the Nardi tag. So we'll just put that there. But yeah, it is really nice. It's leather the whole way around, and then obviously the metal bit here. It's really nice. I think it'll be nice in the S2000 because a lot of you guys have been making fun of me for sitting so close to the steering wheel in the S2000. That's why I want it just a normal steering wheel and not a dish steering wheel, because I thought it would leave me sitting that bit closer to the steering wheel. So this is then obviously my personal badge which comes with it for the horn. So yeah, this is my steering wheel, which I am planning to put on the S2000. We'll see how we get on. Ryan has ordered me a hub. He was very careful to order me one, which would mean it was put on properly and that the airbag light wouldn't come on, and that my horn will still work, because I don't want to mess about too much with the S2000. So yeah, just compared to me, it looks big, but it's not as big. I think it's probably similar size to the S2000 steering wheel at the minute, but it's a whole lot nicer. The S2000 steering wheel is a bit more bulky. I'll have to wait until my hub comes and then we'll get it on and see. Okay, so the other thing was Ryan got me another steering wheel. He came across it, like I said, on Facebook Marketplace, and the guy was looking rid of it. He just wanted money. He was going out apparently that night. It's a bit sad really that someone has to sell their stuff to go out, but if we hadn't bought it, someone else would have bought it. So this is what Ryan came home with. Let me just get it right. So as far as I'm aware, it is genuine. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research about it online, but as far as I can make out, it is actually genuine, and it came off, someone had brought it, someone had it on their chaser. So it's dirty, it's really dirty. As far as I can make out online, they're supposed to be pink and white, but this has definitely had a lot of seat time. Someone has been using it quite a lot and it's really dirty. You'll be able to see it there. It needs a good scrub. So I don't know what colour it'll come up when it is cleaned up. We'll just have to see. But as far as I know, it might be genuine. The thing that is making me believe it could possibly be genuine, I'm definitely going to have to check it out, is that it's got the stamp on it. I'll just show you. So yeah, you can see that it is stamped there, vertex, is that how you actually say it? That is what's sort of making me think that it could be genuine, but we'll just have to have a little look online and see what the differences are between the fakes and the real one. But anyway, so Ryan has picked up anyway. We are going to just do a little few checks that we're going to just look online and see what the differences are between the fakes and the real ones. It does look good. The other ones that I have seen, I was looking last night, the ones that I had seen had the stitching, which is here, and it was overlapping and it wasn't straight and all the rest of it, and it wasn't, they looked fake, whereas this one doesn't look fake. So that was what Ryan came home with. He came home with it for next to nothing, really, honestly, next to nothing. So yeah, I don't know. I'll try and find out if it's real. I might use it, but if not, it can just be a little cool thing that is here in the garage. We will find out, but it's a cool little steering wheel. Adam Ivel had one of these in his S15, and I had said to Ryan a few weeks ago, whenever it was the video came out, that I really liked his steering wheel, and then it came up for sale. So Ryan got it after I bought my personal steering wheel. But we'll see what we do with it. I'm going to clean it up, I'll give it a scrub, see how it comes up, and then try and find out if it is genuine. I think it could be. I don't know. If any of you guys know how to tell, let me know. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Right, so let's just get on with changing the rocker cover before I need to go to work. Thank you, Gareth. Alright, so I just got the rocker cover on. We've just sort of set it on until we get a new gasket kit. I had to take the other one off, so I thought it would be better putting this one over the top of it so that no dirt or dust get into it. The other one is over here, and I'm going to clean it and get it sent to the guy who bought it off me. But I think it looks a whole lot better with the red. And I give the little VTEC bit a little bit of a sand just to make it a bit more shiny. I need to bring the Autosol from home and get that shined up a little bit, but it looks a lot better. It's not all dull and faded like it was beforehand. Right, so which steering wheel do you think should go on to the S2000? Right, so we've got the vertex one and the personal one, and then just the standard S2000 one. I think I'm going to stick with the personal steering wheel. But let me know in the comments which one you like. Which one do you like, Ryan?
Personal all day long.
Yeah. McCluskey? Personal?
Personal for 65.
You want one for Christmas?
Yes, please.
You want one for Christmas, McCluskey? Yeah. You could go and steal one for us, Harry.
Yeah, find more bargains.
So we were going to do the airbox mod where you cut out this bit here, but somebody's already done it. So all we done was change over the air filter to an aftermarket one, but Ryan's going to buy me an induction kit sometime soon. So I'm just going to get an induction kit to fill that space and take probably that out. But we'll see when they come up for sale. So that is the rocker cover changed over. I haven't got my hub yet for my steering wheel, so I can't do that until next week. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, how you think the rocker cover looks on the S2000. To be honest, it's a whole lot better looking than that one. That's not really me at all. The OEM look is a lot better. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Just a little short video today on changing the rocker cover. Definitely looks a whole lot better. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.